Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for April 15th, 2020. XLE exits in 22 days of trade with 26% profit. Let's go see the results. There they are. We have XLE. Now, USO got triggered. That's what the green means. So it joined us down below. But the XLE and the salmon is a completed trade. So let's go ahead and check those numbers out. And let me pin this so it doesn't disappear on us again like that. Okay. Then we got XLE. There it is. And the trade was on the 25th. So we'll set the calendar back and go back to the 25th. And there it is. We got in at 355, got out at 450, picked up $95. We had two contracts for $190 gross return minus up to 1301 with a new O now of 1111 in 22 trading days, 26% profit. All right. That said, let's go on now to the new leader of the Tigers, and that's going to be XLP. And there it is right there. XLP is now the new leaders for the Tigers. And it's the stop. It was set here at the dipper in the profit zone. We don't have our 30% yet. Lagging behind is USO and WBA. With that said, let's now go over to the alphas. Oh, what's going to happen here? Let's go back real quick back to XLE. I want to show you something what I plan with what is on the agenda next. On the agenda next is we have two possible strategies for a put right in this zone, which we still go after our 1111. All right, that said, that's the plan. Let's go now to the alphas. And over here at the alphas, we also had a exit. Let's reset back to reset the calendar, take off the marker, and there it is. WBA got stopped out today, and WUBA. And zoom in, and here we are. And we did get stopped out right there. We were defending with the 30-day moving average line. It didn't happen. The end result is that this trade got stopped out with a $122 loss with two contracts. That gives us a added to 1842, coming out to 2086 is now owed by WUBA. And we'll just go back to the leaders, lost leaders. The more excitement is right here at Microsoft. Let's go on now to the Microsoft. That is so cool because here is what's really cool. Microsoft is in any out will do. Yes, any out will do. It was a Falcon trade. We got in on the 30th of March. And so we got in the 30th of March. The option cost us $11. We were hoping for 11.05. No, we saved the nickel. The bottom line is that it owes Microsoft owes 796 against 1590 sitting here. We are here on last bar low. So we might take a haircut for maybe $150, $200, but the bottom line is we get out with the 796 paid back, and the result is Microsoft then has an opportunity of being moved to the winner's circle and off the lost leaders list. Well, that is it for the losers and winners for today on April 15th of 2020. I thank you for stopping by, checking it out, and successful trading. Be safe, be healthy, be wise. Bye-bye.